What's up, y'all? This is your boy AOB Sway. This is AOB Sway. We're back with another video. This is something way different from my other content. This ain't no car show. This ain't no car meet. This ain't no burnouts. Right now I'm with my boy Les with the Vet, aka Versatile Speed.
Yes sir, go ahead, subscribe.
Yeah, make sure y'all see the back of that shirt. But right now what we are doing for his Vet, what we doing right now for his Vet, getting the Lambo lights put on.
Aventador to be exact.
Aventador on the Vet. You know what I'm saying? Bro, if they want these lights, bro, where they should go?
Right here. Y'all go ahead and go to Vet Lights.
Yes, sir.
Y'all go follow their socials all right there.
Uh-huh.
Got their Insta and their Facebook. And y'all go check them out, get right.
Oh, yeah. Make sure y'all subscribe to my brother channel. You know what I'm saying?
Got to.
But yes, y'all, he's doing a crazy build on his Corvette. What is it's a Corvette what?
C7.
C7, I was about to say that. It's a Corvette C7. Y'all seen it in my first vlog ever, actually. He's now doing some work done to it. So I'm gonna get back with y'all. We're gonna get started on his channel. Then we're gonna head back outside and we're gonna get to work on that. All right, peace. All right, y'all, we are back. So as you see, he does have the stock lights on here right now. What we are gonna do, we're taking these off. He's about to go back in the house and grab something. We're taking these off, about to put these in. Now, if y'all want to see the whole entire thing of how he does it, y'all got to make sure y'all go subscribe to the channel because I'm not doing that. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, Versatile Speed. Make sure y'all give him a like. Make sure y'all give him a share. Make sure y'all subscribe to his family channel. Not his family channel, but become part of his family. Y'all do want to see more of his car. Make sure y'all go subscribe. And he did just put the lights on there. And you guys do know the roof does come off, but he just changed these lights out right here. Make sure y'all go look at that on his channel, and he can give y'all discounts if you go through him. For anybody who has a Vet, want to go through him, I advise you to do it, because the price he just told me about these lights and the deal he got them for, I know my black ass wouldn't do it, and I just cussed. But like I said, I'm not gonna show the whole entire thing. He will on his channel, so make sure you guys go subscribe to that channel.
Yes, sir, right here, Versatile Speed.
Because basically what I'm about to do right now, okay, there you go, brother. I'm about to come in like that, and by the time I come out, the light should be done. So, like I said, you want to see everything how it was done? Go to his channel. But, all right, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all. So my brother Les with the Vet, aka Versatile Speed, he actually got this part off. He's not working on getting this part off. He's gonna take the whole month off. Now I know I said I'm not doing all of this, but I'm not still. I just want to show you some of the things that he are doing with his with the Vet. But y'all, like I said, y'all have to go to his channel to show everything, what he's doing, what he got going. Read the back of the shirt. Yes, y'all. Make sure y'all go subscribe to my brother's channel. And like I said, man, if you guys love cars and you like going fast, man, this is the channel y'all need to go to. But like I said, he just got this part done with. He took this off.
Now that we have that bolt off, time to grab here.
Do this one right here.
And here, we're gonna hit.
But all right, y'all. I'll be back. All right, y'all. So we just have my bro just pulled up, JR Productions. He probably about to drop it. I already know he is. Oh, it's already dropped. Look. Oh no. I want to give that footage, huh? Well, just dropped it, just pulled up on us.
Make sure y'all go subscribe.
JR Productions. Ass dropped to the floor. Man, make sure I go give my brother subscribe. That is that SS thing. Scoot up a little bit, brother. Scoot up a little bit. Yeah. All right, y'all. Now with all that noise without the car, that beautiful noise, and I want y'all to check it out. Man, I'm telling y'all gotta go subscribe to my boy channel to see this, how he gonna transform this vet. Mr. Organic don't even have these lights, all right? So,
Back to the ass of the
you
vet.
know he doing something better than Mr. Organic if Mr. Organic ain't got these lights. That's all I'm saying. That's me, my personal saying.
Coming to that tomorrow.
But definitely, y'all gotta go subscribe to my brother channel. And y'all gotta go subscribe to my other brother channel, you feel me? The Bag Camaro.
It's J.I. Productions on
Gonna get
YouTube,
the other
man.
one
Check it out, man.
in.
Appreciate you.
Yes, indeed.
All love, all love, all love, all love. Yes, sir.
All right, y'all, we gonna get back though.
Lord got them lights in. Oh, you type gonna need the keys though too.
That's all you needed. That bitch turned on, goddamn. God damn, boy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Versatile Speed, man, go check him out. Versatile Speed, man, go check him out. Swipe up right now, goddamn. That shit hard. That shit hard. What you say? What you say, Ayo?
Man, this so hard, bro.
Yes, sir, that shit hit, man. I low-key type to see you. Come on, man. You might have to leave the Mopar life. Get you a Levette. Come on now. I type I type to see, you know what I'm saying, in the vet, goddamn, you know, look. It's looking right, you know what I'm saying? Hey, what's good, J.I.? You dig what I'm saying? Check it out on the YouTube. Yes, sir.
Bro, look who pulls up when we're done. Soon as we done, he pulls up.
Ain't that motherfucker right there?
J-Mar in the building, y'all.
Hey, y'all almost got a car from the dog this morning.
Yeah, 2 Camaros.
My dog almost.
All right, y'all, it's gonna be the end of this video. We might do like a little test drive, probably with seeing the lights, probably not. But if not, bro, this is the end of this video, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to this channel. Make sure y'all go subscribe to my brothers right here.
Versatile Speed.
Yeah,
Go ahead and give a little preview of the.
Yes, sir. Give him a little
Come on now.
Show him a little, yes, sir.
oh yeah.
Y'all stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Gonna be getting some tips installed. Corsa right there.
Yes, indeed. But hey, like I said again, y'all, this is AOB Sway. Become part of the family. Come to the channel, subscribe, like, follow all my socials, and we are out. Yes, sir.